Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
We're at Disneyland at the crack of dawn because of why?
Rise of the Resistance.
Rise of the Resistance opens today.
Yeah!
So we got here a little early, and then they let everybody in already, but everyone's just kind of hanging out on Main Street because you can't get a boarding group yet. I'll put up like a screenshot of what it looks like on the app of where you will get a boarding group. And then hopefully as soon as 8 o'clock hits, we'll get a good boarding group. Here's just like a quick look of what it looks like shortly after 7 a.m., like how crowded Main Street is. But none of the other areas of Disneyland is open right now. So everyone's just kind of hanging out here, but they do have the stores open, so if you want to shop, there they are. While we wait, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys some of the crowd and the lines. If you see like this teal looking building, that is where the Starbucks is. And there's like a proper like switchback queue in there. But the line for it is all the way back here. As you can see, like where that pink awning is, people are lined up there, so that's pretty crazy. And then Jolly Holiday is right here, and then you can see the buildings back up there, but you can see queue line, and our family's in there. Over in front of the castle. I'm just gonna kind of hold you guys up so you can see how many people are in the hub. Just standing around waiting.
Beginning at 8 o'clock this morning, guests may join the queue through the Disneyland app. Once again, the virtual queue for admission to Star Wars Rise of the Resistance will open at 8 o'clock this morning. Thank you.
Okay, so a little update that was very stressful. As soon as 8 o'clock hit, everyone was like refreshing and doing, and you hear like people screaming, like, I got in! They're so excited, and I get an error message saying that they're not taking any more boarding passes, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I just kept refreshing, and I eventually got on one. I had to refresh like 6 times, and so we got on boarding group 86, so hopefully we actually get on today. We'll have to see how it plays out, but we're hearing like some horror stories. Chris said that he was talking to a guy in line, and that they flew all the way from Australia and they didn't get into a boarding group, which is crazy. And then I overheard someone on their phone saying that they were here at 4 a.m. and waited outside, but then they let everyone in on Main Street, so even people like us that showed up at like 6:30 were in there, and so they really didn't have an advantage, and they didn't get a boarding group either, and they were here at 4 a.m. in the rain. So crazy first day. We'll see if we actually get on today. I'm really hopeful, but if not, hey, at least we're at Disneyland. Things could be worse, so we're trying to just stay positive, and hopefully we'll get on today. But it seems like most people are over in Galaxy's Edge, so the rest of the park right now is pretty light, and I'm loving seeing all the walkways like open, and it's just nice. So we'll see what the day brings. We're in line to ride Haunted Mansion Holiday for the last time. It was like a 25-minute wait, but I wanted to give you guys an update.
Yep.
Chris did go and complain to guest services.
I was nice about it.
That that the app told us that there was no more boarding groups, even though there were, just to kind of let them know what was up and see if they could do anything about it. And we got 2 fast passes for everybody out of it, so that's great. But they're on boarding group 12 right now after an hour of being open, and we're in 86. The app said if you're in 82 or above that you might not get on today.
Yeah.
So, and they said there's a total of 140 boarding groups, but I feel like after 12 in an hour,
Yeah.
unless it breaks down,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we'll get on today. You might not. He has to leave early, so we'll see.
Yeah.
See what happens, and we'll keep you guys updated. We're using one of our fast passes for Star Tours. We're hoping to get the new Rise of Skywalker scenes, so we'll see what happens. Hey, R2.
This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces today! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Michael! Pull up!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, R2. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser. laser cannons.
Watch it, Ray. You got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't shake them.
Artu, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done.
Just got off of Star Tours and we're noticing they have the Mandalorian and Baby Yoda, the child stuff everywhere. So we got the Spirit jersey for $70. This unknown species. How much is this? This is like a youth shirt for $20. That's not bad. I love this one. How cute. Let's see how much it is. For $40. Yeah, I like that one better than the Spirit jersey.
Check out this stuff.
Oh my gosh. And then they have this phone case. How cute. Oh my goodness. The phone case is $29.99 for the standard and the specialty is $34.99. I don't know what's the
These are
difference.
magnets.
Magnets. Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Look at that one.
My child can levitate. Your child. Here's another, the child shirt. It's a long sleeve. It's like a sweatshirt material for $40. So cute. What it, Jessie? Friends, it is noon. I just wanted to give you like a quick little update about how our day is going so far. Chris had to leave because he has an event at work that he has to work. That's very important, so he's gonna have to miss out. They are on boarding group 42 right now, so I think we might make it. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. It's noon, boarding group 42. It's a nice day out though. The park is not crowded at all. It's a nice park day. So it's a perfect day to be here waiting on your boarding number. I've said it once and I'll say it a million times. Tom Sawyer Island is an oasis at Disneyland. I just love coming over here, letting the kids play. There's a lot less people. I mean, you can kind of hear the screaming from Splash Mountain, but it's so peaceful. I love it so much. I hope it never goes away. So it's like 1:20 now. I wanted to give you guys an update. They are, Splash Mountain, they are loading the boarding groups up to 51 now. So it's moving quite quickly now, so that's good. We're gonna cut through Galaxy's Edge to go to Fantasyland to eat lunch. And I just wanna see what the crowd looks like over there. Like if people are just standing around waiting for their boarding. I don't know why you would do that, but I'm curious. So we're gonna check that out. Okay, here we are on the Resistance side of Galaxy's Edge. And as you can see, like this is the queue line for Rides of the Resistance. And there's like a cast member right there. She's scanning people's stuff as they like come into the queue. So you don't really have to wait in a line. It's like a virtual queue. So it's gonna be awesome once we get this far. So we're more than halfway to ours. Pretty sure we're gonna get in today. But here's like a look at the crowd. There are a lot of people like standing around over here just waiting for their number to be called. So interesting. Galaxy's Edge is definitely the most crowded area of the entire park, which is crazy. Like, why would you just sit around here waiting on this ride when you could spend time at Disneyland and then ride the ride? Like, that's crazy to me. Lunchtime at Red Rose Tavern. We love coming here because there's something for everyone. They got burgers and pizzas, and I got the poutine. It is so good. So it's like a roast beef with a gravy and some pickled onions on top and some cheese curds. I don't know if you can see it right there. On top of waffle fries. And it is like, my mouth is watering right now. I'm having the hardest time talking to you, but yum. We're gonna eat this, and I'll give you an update on where the boarding group is whenever we're done. Okay, lunch was great, and now we're super full, and it's about 2:30, and they are boarding group 61 now. So maybe it'll be daylight when we get to ride. I'm so excited. So we're just kind of hanging out. We're in Toontown right now, and Pluto was just like out and about, and it was like one of the most awesome meet and greets we just did. So I'm gonna put that in here so you can like check it out. It was great. Pluto! Oh, I love it. All those kids is. Thank you, Pluto. He likes this music, right? You like this music? Yeah, I see you dancing. Dance with Pluto, kid. He's shaking his booty, wagging his tail. Woohoo! Oh yeah! It's like a party in here. Raise the roof. Or Who Let the Dogs Out, right? That song? Yeah, that's your favorite song?
I did. I let the dogs out.
You did? Oh my goodness. He said yay. Thank you, Pluto. Bye. Okay, so it's 5:02. The sun is starting to go down, and they are on boarding group number 65. We just talked to someone that just got off. They were boarding number 61, and they said when they were in the queue for it that it broke down for like an hour. So it was stalled at 61 for a long time. It's been 60. It was at 61 earlier in the afternoon, and it's just now gone on to 65. So hopefully it doesn't break down anymore, and we can get on. I feel like we're so close but so far. Oh. But we've been able to ride a lot of rides today, and Disneyland's been pleasant. It hasn't been crowded at all, so we just have to stay with the positives that we still had a great day at Disneyland regardless. It's nighttime now. So it's like 5:45, so it's not that late, but it is nighttime. And big news though, we are boarding group 86 and they are on boarding group 76. So only 10 more to go. So we're so excited. Come on, we're gonna go to Tomorrowland, see if they're having the dance party, kind of like distract us for a little bit, and then hopefully like within an hour we'll be called. So fingers crossed. So the dance party isn't happening yet. Apparently it doesn't happen until 7, so that kind of threw a kink in us trying to distract ourselves. I feel like we've almost ridden everything in the parks today, which is crazy. We're gonna see what else. He's gonna have his own dance party over there. We don't need the characters and a DJ. We might just be straight up delirious at this point. But the boarding group is at 78 now, so soon, soon, soon. Okay, update. It's a little after 6. Boarding group 81 has just been called, so we're gonna go ahead and head over to Galaxy's Edge. You can probably hear the music. We're right at the entrance. And be like those people that I said earlier. I'm like, why are they just standing around waiting on the thing?
Yeah, we're gonna be them.
Yeah, because we are tired. We've waited a long time so far, and so as soon as our number's called, we want to be like right there by the door, so we can get on as quickly as possible. So, so close. I must admit that Galaxy's Edge at night is pretty magic. Especially with, I mean, I don't see it right now, but when everyone has like their lightsabers lit up, it's just pretty awesome. Okay, it's 6:30, they're at 82 now. So, and then 82 was what they, like, when we had 86, it was like, we're not guaranteeing anyone past 82 will get one, so let's hope they keep going. Yeah, I don't know when they actually cut off. I'm gonna ask a cast member like to see how many people are in each boarding group because I'm really curious. But yeah, so we're still waiting. We're over at the Resistance side though, patiently waiting. So as soon as I turned the camera off, I heard a bunch of people go woo, and I checked, and now it's to 84. So 6:30, 84. Only 2 more boarding groups to go. We're in it to win it. Can you see the lightsabers all lighting up my glasses? So yeah, there's definitely an energy over here that's pretty awesome. Everyone's Very excited. Everyone that's over here right now has been waiting since opening or before opening. So, because all of the reservations were gone in like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
So, everyone that's here right now has been here all day, just like we have. So, everyone's very pumped up when their number's called. It's 85!
85! 85, 85.
And this is like 3 minutes after we just talked to you. Oh, it's moving so fast! Yes, it says our boarding group has been called, even though this hasn't changed to 86. We got a notification, so it's, yes! 86! Let's go, let's go. We're doing it. We're really doing it. We're in the queue now. Oh my God.
After 13 hours.
Oh, it's time. It's time. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so exciting. It's so exciting.
You are so funny.
Well, I'm excited and tired and all kinds of things. Oh my God. Now this is like an actual line in here now. Or at least in. We're in. It's really nice. There's like little benches all along the edges, so you get tired and you need to sit. Lots of benches in this queue, but there's still a queue on the inside.
That's your goal to eat. This is the second of 3 Star Wars rides there is.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
Transmission from Ray. Oh my God. Oh my
BB-8,
God.
is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
I think the pre-show's over. Look, this is our ship. We're gonna get on this ship. Oh, BB-8's over there! Oh my God!
Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Oh my gosh! It's like a legit freaking ship in here.
Recruits must be on board now. Transport is away.
Look! Oh my God!
Open another hyperdrive. Yes, check the hyperdrive also. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Aid repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch.
Oh my God! We're moving! Oh my goodness!
I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now.
Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my
Oh no, I don't know. Like Spain last year?
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! 2 Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying to.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw the whole way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from?
Right there.
Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
To make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake.
They captured.
I have a bad feeling about this.
Oh my god.
Listen well, all of you. This vessel is now under the control of the First Order. Everyone off the ship. Now.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Quickly proceed down the hallway for interrogation. Do not stop. Continue moving.
I get stuck.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We have to go down this hall?
They're actually pretty mean.
They are mean. Well, they're bad guys.
They scared me.
What did you think so far?
Scared.
That we've been captured. Don't tell them our secrets, okay? You gotta keep your secret. Can you keep a secret? No?
It feels like we're actually on a Star Destroyer. Like I can feel us go like floating up and
Like
down.
kind of floating, yeah. It's like moving. You see them moving? They're watching us.
Resistance sympathizers, take a moment to look down at the colors you are standing on.
Blue.
Remember them. It'll be important for the rest of your interrogation. Do I make myself clear?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Good. Those of you standing on the orange and the red, step inside. Those of you standing on gray and blue, follow them. Quickly.
Oh my gosh. This is a weird room. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Look up there.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
Oh my god, Kylo Ren's here.
The Resistance prisoners.
You have
my God.
what I want.
Oh my god.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Oh. Snap. Oh no. Secret room right here. Back up, back up. Oh my god, there's a door.
Alright, guys.
Oh my
We're
god.
up the resistance ready to break you out. Let's go.
Oh yay! Yay!
Red and blue.
We're blue.
Robbie over here reprogrammed this R5 unit to get you out of here. It knows its way around the Star Destroyer. Finn knows his way around the Star Destroyer. He's gonna
Help us.
just waiting on a transmission coming. Hopefully. He'll let you guys know where to go. He'll let the R5 unit know where to go. If anyone asks, it's just a routine prisoner transfer. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits.
For your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Oh, they're
Tell
talking
them
to
it's
each
a
other.
prisoner transfer.
Prisoner transfer. Nothing to see here.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Approved, droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
If anyone's packing a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod is the boss. Wait, why are you going out?
Why would they shoot at me? Oh my goodness.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
He's like, get out of here.
Personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. As the storm is about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Oh my goodness.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right,
Oh
Beck?
my goodness gracious.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon.
It takes you outside?
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck?
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo. Yes, R5, you too.
Good job, R5. You did it, buddy. Whew. So, what did you think, guys?
Best ride in at
It's
the Disneyland
amazing.
Resort. The best ride in America. The best ride in the world.
It was amazing. Everything was hyped up to be worth the technically 12-hour wait that we
7
waited.
hours.
And it was, oh my gosh.
That was the.
I'm sorry if I ruined the ride through for you guys, but I was honestly just freaking out and fangirling and having the time of my life in there. That was amazing.
That was.
The drop was amazing.
Yeah, I loved
every
that drop.
part of it was amazing.
There was a lot
So,
of drops.
Chris, since he had to go to work, he is going to try to come up here in the morning and get on a boarding group. So maybe he'll get to ride it tomorrow. But like, I feel bad for him because he would have like cried. He would have cried over this. It is that good. It's so good. Oh my gosh. So if you get the chance, definitely get your butt up here to Disneyland or down to Walt Disney World and ride this ride.
Yes.
It's amazing. Like, this video will not do it justice. It's so smooth and it takes you outside. Like, that blows my mind. So I love it. Get down here, ride it for yourself, experience it, start your adventure, live your adventure. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so now we need to go and get to bed. We had a very full day. Thanks for coming along with us and waiting the 12 hours with us virtually. And remember, Star Wars Land is your land. Bye!